There he is. Oh! 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 No, slow. We'll put him in the... Oh! Yeah, do what you want. Yes. Felt a few squid playing around with my plastic, so I've thrown a couple of squid jigs out. Oh, I think I got one playing around here. Got him. Oh, he's only just holding on. He feels alright too. Got him. He feels alright. If I can get a couple of these to take home for the little ones, that'd be good. Oh, he's a decent one. Hey, you bastard. Another 2 or 3 of them will be alright. Oh, he's a decent size. So I've got 2 squid jigs out, and I've got a plastic that I'm throwing as well. And of course the squid has grabbed my plastic. Oh, we've got a double. We've got a double hook up on squid. He's just holding on too. Oh, you bastard. Alright, got him. So I've got the one on squid jig. I had one just playing around with my plastic as well. My daughter loves calamari, so she will be happy. Keep your head away from me, mate. Yes. Oh, you prick. You just fucking sprayed the side of my boat. You dumb dog. You dumb dog. I've got him there. Bloody chaos. I've got bust ups happening over here. I've got bait everywhere. I've got this squid I gotta get in the thing. Another good arrow squid. That's 2 now. Might try and get onto these bust ups. So we got a couple of decent squid. I heard a big explosion over there, big bust up. I don't know if it was tuna or anything. I didn't get a good look at them, but they were making big waves. So if I see them pop up again, I might go and chase them. Oh shit, shit. That's a big squid. If that's a squid, Jesus Christ. Come on, I'll feed that back down. It almost pulled the rod in. I'm just letting it sit there. Well, the bream aren't biting, but the squid are, so... Jesus Christ. Ready to shoot myself. Oh. We're on. Jesus Christ. Alright, we got another one. Feels alright. Yeah, he's smaller than the other ones. Stop spraying, you little shit. I'll let you go. He's only little, just above my hand, so I'll let him go. And we're on here. Put one down, pick one up. He doesn't feel very big either. Oh, he's a little bit bigger than that last one I just got, so... Oh, there's that bust up too. try get bigger ones. We'll let him go. What I'll do is I'll go back around, re-drift, we'll have another go, see if we can get some bigger ones. So what I'm doing, I've got 2.5 gram and a 3.5 gram squid jig. I'm just going to let them, throw them out, let them drift around, hopefully something grabs them. I'm going to put a vibe on my other rod and see if I can vibe something up, because the plastics have not been doing it for me today. So what we'll do is just throw these squid jigs out, let them do what they want, and then I'll rig up this vibe and see if we can get something on the vibe, because the plastic's just not really doing it for me today. I've tried a few different styles, a few different brands, styles, shapes, everything, colors, just not happening. So we'll put a vibe on, Nomad vibe, and see if we can get something with that. I'll put these squid jigs down, see if something wants to eat them. And we'll get rid of the plastic. I saw what was busting up over there too. It's just mac tuna. Good fun, but you're not going to keep them, so I'm not going to bother chasing them. If I can get a cod or something nice off one of these with the vibe, I'll probably keep that, but I wouldn't be keeping mac tuna. Put a bit of special sauce on this one. Do that. Let a bit more line out for these fellas. We'll see if anything grabs that. Alright, I think we've got an inquiry. We do. Keep him there on this So we've got another little one here. I chucked the last two little ones back, so I might actually keep this one. He's not bad. We'll put him straight into the esky. We'll get this one straight back out. So that's 3 now, and I've thrown 2 back, so I would have had a nice feed of squid. So obviously they're on the chew up here at the moment. So a couple of squid to finish today. 0 bream, about 5 or 6 squire, 5 or 6 trevally, and a handful of squid. So wasn't a complete disaster. wasn't great. I did come out here trying to get BREAM, test out the electric and go on the canal. So electric works fine, it's been working good. A little bit noisy, but I'll get over it. Other than that, we'll finish this drift off, see if we can get 1 or 2 more, and then head home, get ready for tomorrow. We're going back out. Looks like we got another one. Yeah. He feels a bit better. I'm letting the rod and the boat do all the work. I'm just claiming all the fame. Ooh. He's a decent one. So if he's a good size, that'll be it. That'll be enough to feed us. Oh, it's actually a cuttlefish. Oh, it's actually a cuttlefish. Oh no. Yes, it is. Holy shit. You bastard. So he's actually a cuttlefish, he's not a squid, so I think it's a cuttlefish. I've never caught one before, so we will get the jig out. He wanted it, that's for sure. He still wants it. Let go, mate, and you can go. Got him. Hopefully he's not a cuttlefish. He is. Oh. He let go. Jeez, they swim fast. He just took off 1,000,000 miles an hour. Not sure if cuttlefish are good, you're allowed to keep them, what the go is. I don't know, so if someone else knows, let us know. While I was doing that, oh no, 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 no. Jesus. I had something just on my other line. Oh, got him. I was just slowly working that one. Brick. deciding whether to keep it or not. Well, that's a wrap, guys. This morning we shot up to the canals. We tried to get a few bream. Didn't happen. I wanted to test out the new electric. Went well, works well, so pretty happy with that. Didn't get any bream, so not too happy about that. We did get a few. We found that little school of trevally there, or whatever they were. They were weird looking ones. So I picked a few, like a handful of them up, which is all right. Come back out, went up the top of the passage here. Nothing again, nothing. And then I found the squid, so ended up keeping 3. I threw 2 back that I could have kept because I thought I was going to get more, but oh well. It is what it is. We'll get this boat out, get it washed, get the gear ready for tomorrow. Tomorrow I'm heading to the Pine River to find these infamous bream, or supposed to be. You can't find the bastards, but yeah, we'll head out and we'll have a go.